Hello, welcome back. I'm finally uploading a wash and go video. I use Aussie Miracle Curls Co-Wash, the Aussie 3-minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner, and a detangling brush I got from Target. I'm going to use the Pracaxi Oil by OGX. I didn't use this conditioner by Shea Moisture, an Eco Styler for my edges, Aussie Hydration Oil, a brush to style, and a pick to fluff my hair out. Here I'm trying to decide which styler should I use. Even though I love Shea Moisture Curl Smoothie, I'm going to go with the Pracaxi Oil by OGX. I had my hair wrapped up in a cotton t-shirt after I got out the shower. So this is my hair with no product in it. You're also going to need a hair tie to section off your hair. Since my hair is on the finer side, I do medium sections. I'm going to take a spray bottle. If your hair is like mine, my hair dries very quickly, so I'll just keep a spray bottle with just water in it. And I'm going to apply the product and brush it through with my brush. Using the spray bottle, you're going to make sure you only spray enough for your hair to be damp and not soaking wet. When you're putting on the product and brushing it, I'm going to just make sure I smooth it everywhere and brush from root to end. If you see any frizzy areas in your hair while it's damp, you want to make sure you go over it with your brush and the product so you can make sure it's smooth. If it's frizzy while your hair is damp, then it's going to be frizzy when it dries. Next, I'm going to take my Eco Styler and put it on my edges to smooth them down. Then I'm going to brush them to my liking. Alright, my hair is fully dry now. It took about an hour and a half. I'm going to take the Aussie Miracle Moist Hydration Oil and put it on my hand so I can start going through my hair and fluffing it out. I like to fluff with my fingers first. I go in and separate my hair in big chunks just to create some volume, and I pull it to create some length. Then I take my pick and I go through and only pick the roots and maybe in the middle of the hair shaft and areas I want to elongate and make more volume. Make sure you pick from underneath to cut down on frizz and help your curls on the top stay defined. Alright, this is the finished product. I'm loving how my hair looks. It's very moisturized and defined. It looks great. This product adds amazing shine. I didn't really need the oil. And it also made my hair so soft and fluffy. I don't have a hard cast or anything on it. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.